How to give cooking instructions in English. Hi everyone, and welcome to Home Flavors Week. My name is Tom. I am a chef. I want to share my favorite recipe with you today. It's a classic spaghetti bolognese. It's easy, filling, and perfect after a long day. Before we start, here are the ingredients for spaghetti bolognese for 4 people. Ingredients: 250 grams of spaghetti, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 500 grams of minced beef, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or basil, salt and pepper, grated cheese. Now, here's how I make this delicious spaghetti bolognese. First, chop the onion and garlic. Meanwhile, boil the spaghetti in salted water for 8 to 10 minutes until it's just tender. Then, drain the spaghetti and set it aside. Heat the olive oil in a large pan, and fry the onion and garlic until they are soft. Then, add the minced beef, and cook until it gets brown. Next, pour in the chopped tomatoes, and add the herbs. Season with salt and pepper. Let it all simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And then, top the spaghetti with the sauce. Finally, sprinkle some grated cheese before serving. Time to enjoy your delicious spag bol straight from your own kitchen.